Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 2025 Scrappytate Paulette's 12 Days of Christmas collab. Of course, it was hosted by her. Anyways, so these are all the participants that participate in this collab. You guys go over, check each and every one out. You guys are in for a treat. I can't wait to see what everybody has received. And don't forget to follow if you are not following them. You guys can't wait to see. Alrighty, we'll see you on our day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to day 6 of what I received, my incoming from 12 Days of Christmas swap. Scrap, of course, it is hosted by Scrappytate. So yeah, anyway, so excited. Oh, this is so cute. I love everything. My partner is Stace. If you guys don't know her, oh my goodness, she is amazing. And oh my goodness, how cute is this? Love how she did this. Oh my goodness. And is this wire? Okay, I will be exempt. Oh yeah, it is wire. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So she did. Not too sure she bought it like this or she made it. It looks like she made it, but anyway, so here is her day 6 tag again. And oh my goodness, I do not, let me see. Okay, so it took me a minute. I'm glad I put you guys on pause because it took me a minute to dissect all this. And oh my goodness, it is beautiful. This bow, oh my goodness, beautiful the way it was wrapped on here. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna, I love this paper. It's so cute. I want to keep it, but you gotta do it. Sometimes you gotta do it, you guys. You gotta do it. Gotta stir it up and just, oh my goodness. Awesome! So this again is day 6 and this is from my partner Stace. And oh, I love these. These are cute. I can definitely use all these colors. I do not have any of these colors. So yay! Okay, and then I forgot to open the back, you guys. Okay, here is another candy cane. And then again, you guys, look at this. So beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. If you guys have not gone over to the other ladies' channels, please go over, check them out. You guys, amazing items. Amazing items. I've been trying to binge watch through all my work hours, and it's been pretty hard. It's hard to comment and watch, and but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now. Hi everybody, just a really quick if you guys saw this, Stace gifted me this and she actually handmade it, you guys, so she used no dies. So how exciting. So you guys saw the secret compartment. Let me try to put that back. You saw the oven, you guys, but we were missing this. This is a secret compartment that I did not realize it had. And Stace mentioned I forgot one, so I did have to look for it. And yay! Oh my goodness, how cute is this? So she didn't use any dies. Hopefully, she will do a tutorial for us, you guys. I haven't seen one. Maybe she has. You guys, I'm still trying to catch up on some videos. So, oh my goodness, how cute and creative. So she handmade this, you guys, like no dies. Oh my goodness. Anyways, just quick, I came on here just to show you guys that, and oh my goodness, how cute is this? Thank you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video.